So now let's see how we can enter data inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I'm in a blank document, and now in order to make it more clearer, on the top in the 100% area where it says zoom, I'm just going to turn that out into 200% so it zooms in. So now in order to enter data, it is quite simple. You simply go over here and type in. So let's say, for example, I'm going to type SN for symbol number. I'm going to type in name right here, product just like this, and let's say I'm going to say something like price just like this. So once I do that, I can start entering the data. I'm using my arrow keys on my keyboard to move it around, or I can press tab to move it onto the right side and go around, and then once I type in, press enter to go on to the next row right here, just like this. So just using arrow keys is quite simple for this one. So let's say I'm going to add in symbol number right here, 1, then I'm using my arrow key, 2. You can also press enter, go 3 and 4, just like this. And on the name, you can go around and then type in the name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say something like PlayStation right here. This is going to be like Game Boy, just like this. And this is going to be Wii. And this is going to be GameCube, just like this. So this is going to be a console right here. And this is going to be a handheld, just like this. And then I want to copy out the console over here onto both of these areas. So I can press Ctrl C while I'm at the console cell. I can use the arrow keys, or I can use my mouse, press Ctrl V, and then copy out the information just like that. And let's say for the price, I'm going to use the $sign. And for PlayStation, I guess like it's about $100 right here. And it detects that it is a currency once I add in the $sign over there. So for Game Boy, let me just keep like this right here, and then dollar. For Wii, let's say 150 right here. For GameCube, let's say this is going to be 90. So I'm just going to go around, type in 90, and this is what you have. And then over here, you can add in other things right here and then work around with this. So that is simply how you work around with entering data. And then what you can do is you can select it, you can right click, cut and paste it onto other section as well, according to how you like it. So all the things are there in cells. And now you can see that you can format it however you like it. And that is how you can enter out data inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.